Kasongo ye Mombali nanga Kasongo mbona we Songa libala.
The church is like woman being, no. Maybe when you don't stop finishing, I go and for ya. Chop like this. Spanner. I am not doing food challenge with you. Respect beans. Respect beans. Respect beans. Okay. Spanner. Which express go? Who got this express by this side? Who got express here that for my plate?
No, be me now. No, start cleaning my own plate there.
No.
Flies everywhere. I hate all these flies.
Spanner, who fly my meat? My beans. What flied my beans? I think I have to go. I've tried enough already so that it will not be like I'm doing something that is not making sense. When I day and I tell you, you know, the man does the chop small. Chop small. Now you don't finish your food and I come and put that for my own food. No problem. Jesus.
Yeah?